Phonics friends, and thank you for joining me today. Are you ready to learn a new sound? Let's get started. Today, we're going to be learning the D sound. Now you might be thinking, I've heard the D sound before. And that's because one letter D makes a D sound and two letter Ds make a D sound. D, 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 D. But today, we're going to be learning this D sound. Now, when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. D, D, D. Excellent. Now, let's have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the D sound. Ah, I found a teddy. Can you hear the D sound in the middle of teddy? Teddy, teddy. Well done. Let's see what else we can find that uses the D sound. Oh, I found a ladder. Can you hear the D sound in the middle of ladder? Ladder, ladder. Excellent. Let's see if we can find something else that uses the D sound. Oh, what's this? I've got a letter. I know, I've got the address written on here, and the address is where you live. Can you hear the D sound in address? Address, address. Excellent. So address, ladder, and teddy all use the D sound. Now we're going to have a little go at writing the D sound. To write the D sound, we need to write two letter Ds. And to do this, we start here in the middle, we go all the way around, all the way up, and then back down. Then we do it again, we start here, all the way around, up and down. Now I want you joining in, so let's get those magic fingers ready. Get them all warm, give them a wiggle and a shake. Give your shoulders a big roll so you're ready for writing. Join in using your magic finger. You can use your other hand as a magic piece of paper to write on. Are we ready? Magic fingers. And start here. Go all the way around, up and back down. Then we do it again. Start here. All the way around, up and down. Well done. Let's do it one more time. Magic fingers. Start here. All the way around, up and down. Then we do it again. Start here. All the way around, up and down. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the D sound. Our first word today is add. My turn first. Add. Add. Your turn. Add. My turn again. Add. Add. Your turn. Add. Well done. Our next word is address. My turn first. Address. Address. Your turn. Address. My turn again. Address. Your turn. Address. And our last word for today is odd. My turn first. Odd. Odd. Your turn. Odd. My turn again. Odd. odd. Your turn. Odd. Well done. You've worked really hard today and I hope you've had some fun as well. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!